Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center. In this video, I will guide you that how you can upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11, no matter at all if you are using old PC or unsupported hardware. Through this simple way forward, you can easily upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 in few clicks. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to click onto the Chrome browser. Then you have to type Windows 11 download. Then you will have a first link. Then you have to click on that. Then you have to select the respected ISO. Once you selected the ISO, you have to click confirm, and after that you have to select your language and then confirm, and then you will have a download. Simply once you click it, it will be downloaded instantly. I have already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time. Let me show you. So we have already ISO, so we will copy this ISO and we will go into the C drive and we will create a folder win, and then we will paste ISO inside this folder. So once the ISO copied, then you have to right click on it and extract here. Once the file extracted, then you have to open the command terminal, run as administrator, and then you have to navigate respected folder. /product server, and Windows setup will be start instantly. So we have to hit next. Now it is checking for the updates. Now you have to select the license, accept. We are upgrading our Windows 10 to Windows 11. Keep files and settings as it is. Next. Now it will take few minutes. Then finally we have install visit, and just we have to click onto the install. Don't confuse with installing Windows Server. We are installing Windows 11. So once it is done, I will be back. So Windows 11 has been installed successfully in front of you. If you like this video, kindly give the thumbs up. And this is the most easiest way through which you can install the Windows 11 or upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. Thank you so much. Forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. See you very soon. Bye-bye.